Hello, good morning, my 9th class students. As I have sent many videos to you before this, likewise, I hope today you may be waiting for this video. So today we are discussing about the laws of exponents, for real numbers, and under the chapter number system. So what are the laws? So take A. If A is greater than 0, A means any general number which is greater than 0. B, a real number. B, a real number. Real number means rational number and irrational number combines forms a set of real numbers. Okay, but I am taking here A as greater than 0 and all the positive numbers greater than 0. Okay, and P and Q are really two rational numbers. ये क्या है? रैशनल नंबर्स है. P और Q रैशनल नंबर्स है. रैशनल नंबर किसे कहते हैं? If P and Q are any two integers, then the number in the form of P upon Q is called a rational number, provided Q should not be 0, denominator should not be 0. That is 2 by 3. This is a rational number. Simply 1 by 2 is a rational number. Simply 5 is also a rational number. Here 2 and 3 are integers, 1 and 2 are integers. 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. So both are integers, numerator as well as denominator. Simply minus 5, it is also a rational number. Minus 5 upon 1, minus 5 upon 1 लिखा मैंने. ये भी इंटीजर से दोनों. Okay, but 3 upon 0, this cannot be a rational number. Denominator is 0 here. Simply 0. That is a rational number. Okay. If P and Q are any two rational numbers, then we have first law, that is a raised to the power P into a raised to the power Q. Here A are the bases. A को बेस कहेंगे, P को उसका पावर कहेंगे. यहाँ पर A को बेस, Q को पावर. तो दोनों के बेसिस आर इक्वल. ये बेसिस इक्वल होना चाहिए यहाँ पर. जैसे A वैसे ही जैसे 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 5. इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते हैं क्योंकि बेसिस इक्वल है. So first law, a raised to the power P into a raised to the power Q gives us a raised to the power P plus Q. This is the first law. You have to take the addition of the power here. Okay. Then second, a raised to the power P whole raised to the power Q. A raised to the power P whole raised to the power Q. So you have to take the product of the powers. So it is a raised to the power P into Q. Then third, if a raised to the power P upon a raised to the power Q, here division is there. So as in multiplication we have taken the addition of the powers, so here you have to take the subtraction of the power P minus Q, a raised to the power P minus Q. Similarly, fourth one, if a raised to the power P है और b raised to the power भी suppose P है, a raised to the power P है, b raised to the power भी P है. यहाँ पे बेसिस डिफरेंट है लेकिन पावर सेम है. So I can take this in bracket, that is a into b whole raised to the power P here. In this way I can write. Then fifth, if the power is negative, a raised to the power minus r. If you want to change the power as positive, then I can make this 1 upon a raised to the power, it becomes plus r. So this negative sign will remove because 1 upon I have taken. If it is 2 raised to the power minus 3, If I want to change the sign of this thing, that is minus or positive, so I have to write 2 raised to the power 3 in this way. So remember this 5 laws here. Okay. Now take some examples. Take some examples. Here in your textbook, first example is find number 1 64 raised to the power 1 by 2. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. What is the simplest answer? 64 raised to the power 1 by 2. यहाँ पे पावर जो 1 by 2 है, डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए ये जो 64 है, क्या मैं इसको यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर 2 है तो स्क्वायर के फॉर्म में लिख सकता हूँ 64 को? Yes, I can write it. It is 8 square full raised to the power 1 by 2. 64 means 8 square whole raised to the power 1 by 2. Now a raised to the power p whole raised to the power q. So it becomes 8 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 2. So again it is equals to this 2 will get cancelled. 8 raised to the power 1. That is answer is 8. Answer is 8. Take second example. Second example. 32 raised to the power 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Here the denominator of the power is 5. Can I write 32 in terms of power 5? You take 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. That is, I can write 32 as 2 raised to the power 5 whole raised to the power 1 by 5. Again 2 raised to the power 5 into 1 by 5. That is 2 raised to the power 1 means answer is 2 here. Cancelling this 5. Okay. Then third one. Third 125 raised to the power 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So 125 को कैसे लिखेंगे? यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर 3 है तो क्या पावर 3 में लिख सकते हैं? जस्ट इमेजिन 5 take 5 to 5 to 5 5 5 is 25 25 is 125. So that is I can write here 5 cube whole raised to the power 1 by 3. So 5 raised to the power 3 into 1 by 3. Cancelling this 3. Answer is 5. Okay, this is very simple. One more. Find find 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. सिंप्लीफाई करो इसको. 9 raised to the power 3 by 2. यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर 2 है, क्या मैं 9 को पावर में लिख सकता हूँ 2 के पावर में? Yes, this will be 3 square. 3 into 3 means 9. 4 raised to the power 3 by 2. Take the product of the powers. 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 2. Here the denominator of 2 is 1. Cancel this 2. So 3 raised to the power 3. Okay. So that is 27. 3 into 3 into 3. 27. Okay. So again. Take some more examples. 32 raised to the power 2 by 5. 2 by 5. अब यहाँ पर देखो पावर 5 है पहले जैसे ये मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा था 2 का पावर 5 मीन्स 32. So 2 का पावर 5 4 raised to the power 2 by 5. That is 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 by 5. यहाँ डिनोमिनेटर 1 है, कैंसिलिंग दिस 5. 2 raised to the power 2, that is 2 square, means answer is 4. Okay. Then 125 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. 125 raised to the power minus 1 by 3. तो यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर 3 है. Write 125 in terms of cube power 3. So it is 5 cube is 125 and power is minus 1 by 3. So that is 5 raised to the power 3 into this is minus 1 by 3. Denominator 1 है, cancel this 3. So you get 5 raised to the power minus 1 minus 1. If I want to change the power as positive, so you take 1 upon 5 raised to the power 1, 5 raised to the power 1. It is 5 simply, so 1 upon 5. Answer is 1 upon 5. Then 64 5. 64 raised to the power 3 by 4 3 by 4. अब यहाँ पे 64 को कैसे लिखेंगे? 8 का स्क्वायर है 64 है ना, 8 का स्क्वायर। तो हम 8 का स्क्वायर करते कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। यहाँ पे किसी नंबर का पावर 4 है, क्या है 2 का पावर 4 तो नहीं हो सकता है, 3 का पावर तो हो ही नहीं सकता, 4 का पावर 4 भी नहीं 64 हो सकता। तो हम इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं 8 का स्क्वायर 64, ठीक है। देन 4 raised to the power 3 by 4. So this is 8 raised to the power 2 into 3 by 4. Okay. So this is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 8 raised to the power 3 by 2. Now I am writing this 8 as it is in this form, 8 raised to the power 3 by 2. So I am writing this 8 as 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. So that is 3 by 2. So 2 raised to the power 3 into 3 by 2. So 2 raised to the power 9 by 2. This is the answer. 2 raised to the power 9 by 2. Okay. 2 raised to the power 9 by 2. Then if it is 7 raised to the power half into 8 raised to the power half. Now here the bases are different, not equal, but the power is same. So according to our which law? Fourth law. So it is 7 into 8 raised to the power 1 by 2. That is 56 raised to the power 1 by 2 आंसर हो जाएगा इसका। पावर सेम है तो पावर बाहर ले लो और यहाँ पे बेसिस का प्रोडक्ट करना है। तो 56 raised to the power 1 by 2. Then you simplify this, 2 raised to the power 2 by 3 into 2 raised to the power 1 by 5. Okay, so bases are equal here. 2 raised to the power and the bases are equal. So in product you have to take the addition of the powers. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So you take the addition of this. What is the addition? 2 raised to the power. You take cross multiplication. यहाँ पर 10 plus this is 3 upon 15. 2 raised to the power 13 by 15. This is the answer. Okay. Last question. 1 upon 3 cube 4 raised to the power 7. 4 raised to the power 7. So जैसे हमने देखा था, यह अपॉन b का पावर p है, तो a का भी पावर p होता है, b का भी पावर p होता है। यहाँ 7 जो दोनों का पावर है, 1 का पावर 7 अपॉन ये जो 3 क्यूब है उसका भी पावर 7 हो जाएगा। 1 का पावर 7 मीन्स 1 into 1 into 1 7 times, तो अगेन 1। यहाँ 3 का पावर 3 and whole power 7, so 3 का पावर 20 है। So this is the answer. Okay, thank you. Rest of the examples you try. Thank you.